How do you cope up with your social life as well as your professional life? Time constraints?
Very less. There's no social life, to be honest. Because look, सुबह 6:30 we start and we finish by 10. So it's like then you
might be a shift, huh? Like day and night shifts.
We have day and night shifts. We have 9 to 9 shifts. We have 6 to 6.
She'll manage. Yeah, and then remain fresh like this, for the shoot. Such a long, day you have.
Yeah, we try not to spend energy here and there. Focus energy नहीं waste करना. Just conserve your energy and keep focused on growth.
You mean to say you're more focused, and that is what all we need, है ना?
Yes.
And as a
eat proper food, eat healthy food. It will always give you energy.
And now in a day, like every day we see one episode.
Yeah.
So one day, how many episodes do you shoot, or is it only one episode? Actually, this is a question from one of the students.
We don't shoot entire episode or something. We shoot parts. We shoot scenes. So some days if the scenes are less, we shoot many scenes. Some days the length of scenes are more. So we shoot 1 or 2.
So you don't go by episodes.
They change the script,
probably the
or it is pre-written.
What did she say her name is? Huh? What's her name? Meera. No, what did she say her name is? Her character.
निकालने में टूट जाएगा ना, तो फिर कौन लेगा
इतना? My God, it's a set.
Yeah, it's a set. Looks like a.
हाँ
ऊपर से वो होता है ना?
नहीं ऊपर से नहीं, लाइटिंग होती है ऊपर से.
इधर ऐसे आदमी कर रहा होगा, किधर से करते हो?
कैमरा जहाँ से लगाना होगा डिपेंड ऑन डायरेक्टर के साथ डिसाइड करते हैं. कैटवॉक शूट लेकर कैटवॉक पे तो कोई लाइटिंग होती है. अभी बहुत रेयर होता है कि टॉप एंगल चाहिए हो तो फिर कैमरा लगे जाते ऊपर, तब इसे यहाँ से.
तो ये अंदर काफी there should be quite a bit of shooting happening ना.
सर अंदर बैठे ना सर, बैठने के बाद चेयर भाई बोले चलो ठीक है. We call it, it's going on air. So whatever goes on air, we have to finalize. We are the responsible person from the costumes, looks, hair, makeup, even the eyelashes, lenses, everything, story, screenplays, dialogues, each and every design, each and every pre-shoot, post-shoot, editings, music, theme musics, graphics, everything we have to finalize. The creatives are the persons who finalizes everything. Our job is as simple as that we take the authority to finalize the thing, and it's our vision. Like when we discuss the story with the writers, it's usually the process is like this: ki we lock a broad story for a month. In this month, we are gonna shoot these things. We are gonna capture these moments, these issues in general. Then we share it with the channel team. They also have a set of team in channel. Their marketing team, their PR team, the execution team. So we share it with them. This is what we are thinking to show in the next coming month or 2 months or 3 months. So we discuss first very briefly on a broad story. Once it's done, then we get their feedbacks. We present our story, then they give the feedbacks. According to the feedbacks, whatever changes they are demanding, we tell our writers to write that, incorporate those changes, and then they write the screenplays. We have screenplay writers, different story writers, and dialogue writers. Three this thing. Yeah.
How much time does it take to write one episode? Script?
See, in daily soaps, we have to write every day because we have to shoot and we have to telecast every day. So we are always running short on time as far as daily soaps are concerned. So it's like then once the story is locked, then we pass it on to our screenplay writers. They write the screenplays. Screenplays, if you might know, is like a story can be a one-line story. A setup of Azadganj, a Thakur, and this thing. Now the screenplay writers writes the details. It has to be a morning scene, a sunrise shot. The Thakur's grandmother is वो सूर्य को जल चढ़ा रही है. We can start the scene from there. Or somebody is working in the fields and we pan the camera from there. So it's the screenplay writer's job to detail everything. Once the detailing is done, we are set up with the details, the setup. The screenplay writers write how many actors or who all are involved in this particular scene. Once it's done, then again we go to channel and we share it with them again. Then they again give the feedback. Okay, this is right, or remove this or add this. Then that finally goes to the dialogue writers. Then they write the dialogue, the lines, which actually the actor speaks. Then it comes to us again back, fourth time, which we give to actors. We share it with our directors, our DOPs. DOPs are the cameramen, director of photography. We share it with them. Then we discuss the scene with the director. This is this, and we want this. The mood of the scene should be like this. It should be this pacing. We have to keep it. We have to stretch it this scene to this thing. So then we discuss it with the director, and director takes the call. Yeah.
What's the time limit for the show?
Time limit as in?
30 minutes, 1 hour.
No. With the.
Please stand now. I'll click. Please stand.
We just stand here to the machan. No. I want the kids also. Soumya, come and stand here for a moment. Girls, please come and stand near the machan. Please come. I want the lantern also. कहाँ है वो lantern भी था एक इधर. ये रहा. This picture is going. I want you also. Come and stand here. No, it's okay.
नैन्सी,
वो थोड़ा सा और.
आपको गाड़ी जाता है.
हाँ.
मेरे को एक बार हाँ. तू मेरे को कभी कल बोला कुछ बुक्स भी भेजना है. कुछ नहीं.
Done.
You didn't tell me.